right, guys, it's day 2 here at METALCON in Las Vegas, and now we're going to talk with Barry about Corrosion Cure and some of its properties. Let's go.
What Corrosion Cure does is it actually embeds into the metal. It migrates 42 microns over the first 5 days of its existence, and it locks out oxygen from hitting the iron, which is the culprit of rust. Without the oxygen, you don't have rust because it is a plant-based food-grade product, absolutely safe. But it'll migrate into the metal, and then you can paint as well if you want to and put a primer down, or you have a one and done that doesn't require a paint. Go to restorationartex.com, click on the Corrizon tab. You'll get all the information regarding test results and case studies and product information.